Hey, another day in the garage, and today we're permanently mounting the body kit. So we need to trim the pieces so that they do not pop out like that and make the permanent mounts, so that it will be sitting nicely on the body. So let's start. Alright, first try, and it's already much better. It's sitting flat. So I'll definitely have to paint that, of course, but we achieved the goal. I do not believe there is any trimming required at this side. Yeah, it's okay. So, to my surprise, it went pretty well. So the bumper is now holding without any support. So basically I've utilized this bracket, this panel below the tail light, and made these support points. So let me focus on that. Okay, yeah, so just one bolt, two nuts, and this kind of mini support thing, and one more here. It's pretty much okay for the fiberglass, very light bumper. Like it weighs around, I don't know, maybe 2 kilos, 3 kilos, something. So I think that should work, and maybe later on I will have the rear bash bar, but for now this should be just perfect. Alright, so for these side skirts, we've put these threaded rivets, and I have it in the metal here, and I have that in the fiberglass right here. So I hope this would hold, and it's time to mount the side skirt and check if we made everything right.